Introducing Ainsley Porter, the ballet star.
Hi, ballerina.
Yeah, it's really good.
On the flash. Pretty. Your hands are very nice.
It's
Put your hands
beautiful.
like this. Put your hands like this. Now I'm gonna skip across the floor. Every time.
Don't you have one that's called Jump the Teacher or something?
Swirlies?
Yeah.
Let's see.
And then jump.
Watch out for each other.
Can I show you a twirl? I can twirl in there. Whoa! I'm practicing on it.
Wow, that was a good jump swirling. Really good.
And now I'm gonna do the spread.
Oh,
my
nice.
gosh.
Wow.
I'm really good at this one. Ainsley's really good at splits in the air.
And we'd like to see more twirling. I like. Oh,
Oh, there's always
always a somersault in the ballet.
somersault.
Ow! Sorry.
Ballerinas have to be tough. You'd be surprised how tough they are. Woo! I like it when you turn.
Very nice.
Yes, very nice pass.
These are Olympic
Very
ballet.
pretty. Oh, beautiful. Oh, lovely. Oh. Do you know the one where you hold her hand and she puts her leg back like a ballerina? You help her, support her? That work?
That's pretty good. Ainsley, can you get in the middle and blow me a kiss? Beautiful.